When it comes to your credit score, you do not have to wait 7 years for the item to get removed off your credit report. This was a client of ours. They had a low credit score in the 500 range, and on May 16th, their credit score went up 149 points. They're now in the good FICO range, and this is going to be on Experian. I just wanted to walk you guys through exactly how we were able to get their score up over 149 points. Now let's take a look at their dispute results. Looking at some of the accounts that were removed, right here we got BMW Financial Services. So this was a repossession. You also got Discover Card. There's a Citizens line of credit, as well as Bank of America. And there's a bunch of other inquiries we were able to get removed. Now, as y'all can see, this was BMW Financial Services. The item was deleted off the credit report. This was an auto loan that was opened back in 2020, and it was a charge-off. There was over $22,000 that was owed on this auto loan. This was a 74-month auto loan. It tells you how long this will stay on your credit report. And this will be until May of 2029, which is still another 4 or 5 years away. And when we look at the payment history, this is riddled with late payments. You have 30-day late, 60-day late, 90-day late, 120, as well as charge-offs. So this type of account will drag your credit score. Even though it is closed, it will still drag your credit score. So you have to address these items. Now, if you do nothing at all, the information will fall off your credit report 7 years from the date of the first late. It says May 2029. They became delinquent in May of 2022. So 7 years will be 2029. All right. So this was a repossession, charge off, dragging their credit score. Afterwards, we got this completely wiped off their credit report. Let's take a look at some other accounts. You have Discover credit card right here. This was a $2,200 riddled with late payments. So we were able to get this account completely taken off. The other point I want to make is if you have late payments, but then you get current, but you still want to use that account, your FICO score is still going to get dragged down. If your payment history looks like this, there's no salvaging this account. A lot of people think that because they're now current, that everything is good, they can continue to get credit, but you're still going to be in that high risk category because you have derogatory payment information. You'll never get to 100% on-time payments with a credit report that looks like this. They also had the Citizens Pay line of credit. This is the before and after. And again, the $3,000. This was basically just a charge off. Bank of America. So before and after, let's look at before. This was a small amount, $452. You might not think it's such a big deal, but just remember, it's all about the payment history. So if you have negative payment history, doesn't matter if you owe $2, it's still going to affect your credit. They also have a Navy Federal account that we remove. This was $18,000 in a credit card that was charged off. Late payments, been on their credit report for a couple years now. And we were able to get this $18,000 credit card charge off from Navy Federal completely removed off the credit report. All right, now looking at their credit journey, you could see in April of 2025, they were at a 564. All right, and in a matter of less than a month, they were at a 730. Right now, they're at a 727. You know how it is, things update, balances update. So we got them up to a 730, and this was on May 16th. So again, from April 16th to May 16th, exactly a month, their credit score increased a whole lot of points. All right, so we were able to get them huge FICO score increase, not Vantage score, but FICO score. Now, if you've been on the sideline as far as fixing your credit, you don't have money to fix your credit, we have some great options for you that our lending partners have teamed up to offer in-house financing. We can actually offer you financing terms from a variety of different in-house lenders that go as low as a 490 FICO to get finance. So we have in-house financing available right now. You can get started today with little money out of pocket to start getting your financial reputation restored. I've dropped a link in the description of the video. You can also call us at our 800 number, speak with a representative. We'll review your credit profile and map out a strategy to get those items knocked off your credit report and restore your financial reputation. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.